cushions and chair pads. And don't miss our Christmas quilt night in-store tomorrow from 3 p.m.
Every day, millions of customers rely on our energy as part of their world. As one of Australia's largest energy companies, we're focused not only on addressing the electricity needs of our customers today, but also on investing in the future of cleaner energy and smarter energy thinking. After all, we're investing in a tomorrow that all our customers can depend on. True Energy, today and tomorrow.